Aloe vera is a medicinal plant that's been used to treat various health conditions for thousands of years. If you're here watching this video, then we'd like to think that aloe vera has piqued your interest, which is always a good place to start. We'll be covering everything you need to know about the benefits of the juice, so stay tuned. 1. It treats sunburn. Everyone should apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen before spending time in the sun, but most of us forget once in a while. The resulting sunburn can be painful, but aloe vera gel can ease the pain and promote healing. The plant is also useful for treating blisters, other burns, and sites of allergic reactions. Aloe has been shown to protect against the sun's radiation damage. Some studies suggest that compounds in the plant can speed healing and encourage cell regeneration. 2. It boosts the immune system. Along with vitamins and minerals, aloe vera is rich in monosaccharides and polysaccharides. Together, these compounds strengthen white blood cells, making the body more capable of fending off bacteria, viruses, and other diseases. Aloe vera is also full of antioxidants that help block free radicals that adversely affect health and contribute to aging. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly could help to naturally enhance the immune system. 3. Fights gum disease. Gums that bleed during or following brushing and flossing could be developing gum disease. Aloe vera gel has natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help heal bleeding gums and promote cell growth. Massaging the gel into the gums is one effective option, and some people brush their teeth with tooth powders or paste containing the plant. Because of its healing properties, aloe vera may help protect the mouth from or improve other mouth issues. These include canker sores and cold sores. Because of its ability to control bacteria in the mouth, using the gel may reduce bacterial infections caused by dental implants. 4. It improves digestion. Aloe vera contains active enzymes that aid in digestion that help break down fats and sugars while promoting healthy nutrient absorption. People with acid reflux, indigestion, and irritable bowel syndrome can benefit from drinking aloe vera juice. 5. It stops constipation. The same qualities that make aloe vera good for the digestive system enable it to act as a natural laxative that can treat constipation. Some research suggests drinking about 2 ounces of aloe vera juice each day when feeling constipated can alleviate symptoms, though the plant usually takes many hours to take effect. 6. It reduces inflammation. People with arthritis or general joint inflammation can benefit from the compounds in aloe vera. Rubbing the gel directly on the painful areas can alleviate discomfort, and the anti-inflammatory benefit of aloe vera juice can take effect internally. 7. It promotes healthy skin. Besides treating sunburns, aloe vera enhances skin health in general. Applying the gel to your face twice a day can help reduce acne, pimples, and scars. As well as helping these problem areas, aloe vera can also hydrate and encourage cell growth, encouraging glowing, supple skin. 8. Delivers shiny, smooth hair. The moisturizing properties of aloe vera can help prevent hair breakage and promote growth. It can also assist with scalp ailments like dandruff, itchiness, and pH imbalance. A natural at-home hair mask is easy to make by extracting the gel from 2 aloe vera leaves and combining it with the juice from half a lemon. Applying the mixture as a conditioner and leaving it on for around 15 minutes can leave hair healthy and shiny. 9. It stabilizes blood sugar levels. Aloe vera gel and juice has been shown to successfully reduce blood sugar levels in human studies, which causes insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes. In human and animal studies, aloe vera gel helped reduce blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. 10. It lowers high cholesterol. Research shows aloe vera may be able to lower cholesterol. The British Medical Journal published a study that indicates a compound in the plant could reduce cholesterol levels. Another study showed that consuming aloe vera supplements may assist in lowering liver production of cholesterol. 11. It keeps infections away. Not only does aloe aid the immune system, it also contains compounds which have various antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help fend off microorganisms that spread disease. 12. It treats heartburn. People have long used aloe vera juice for heartburn, and research shows it may be an effective treatment. One study shows it works just as well as prescriptions without any side effects. The theory is that aloe limits acid production and acts as an anti-inflammatory agent to ease acid reflux symptoms. It is worth noting that aloe can cause diarrhea and isn't safe for pregnant women. 13. It reduces wrinkles. Research has shown that aloe vera gel applied to the skin can have an effect on wrinkles and collagen production, according to a study on 30 women over 45 years old. Antioxidants and vitamins have also been shown to neutralize the effects of ultraviolet radiation, repairing your skin from existing UV damage and helping to prevent fine lines. 14. It increases hydration. The aloe plant is very water-dense, so it's an ideal way to prevent or treat dehydration. Staying hydrated helps your body detox by providing a way for you to purge and flush out impurities. The juice also packs a hefty punch of nutrients that optimize the detoxification process that happens in the liver and kidneys. 15. Source of B12. Aloe vera is one of the only vegan sources of vitamin B12, a vitamin that is essential for our production of red blood cells and DNA, and is mostly found in meat. If you're a vegan and you don't think you're getting your B12 intake, aloe vera is a great natural option. There are plenty of vegan foods that are fortified with B12, like nut milk, nutritional yeast, and some cereals, but aloe is a natural B12 source. 16. Helps IBS. Though more research needs to be done, it looks as if aloe vera can help with inflammation in the bowels and intestines. One recent study of IBS patients found that aloe vera juice helped reduce the pain and discomfort of IBS. However, as we mentioned earlier in this video, it's not a guarantee that aloe vera won't worsen IBS, as it's been known to cause diarrhea. 17. Lengthen lashes. Though there's no medical evidence to support it, some people swear by aloe vera to lengthen their eyelashes. To see if this works for yourself, just apply some aloe vera gel onto your eyebrows and eyelashes and leave it to dry. After about 5 minutes, you can wash it off with water. Make sure you keep your eyes closed while applying the gel, as your eyes may be sensitive to it. Being a cooling agent, aloe vera also helps reduce dark circles. 18. Heals cracked lips. The watery gel-like substance found in aloe vera leaves has soothing, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties that make it ideal for treating skin conditions, including chapped lips. Pure aloe vera is safe to use on sensitive areas where other skin products shouldn't go, like your lips and under your eyes. 19. It may reduce cellulite. Aloe vera can help make your skin tight, which may reduce the appearance of cellulite. You'll need the gel from one aloe vera leaf for this. Apply the gel to the affected area and massage it well. It's not going to work as an overnight cellulite cure, but it should help to reduce the appearance of your cellulite somewhat. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 17 things you can do with aloe vera. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.